Hi everyone, my name is Sandra and I will be your guide through the secrets of the German language. Here is a short introduction to help you get most out of this course. This course is divided into 7 units, each one covering a specific and mostly everyday topic like hobbies or living or jobs or dinosaurs. Each unit will have between 10 and 15 individual lessons that are mostly under 5 minutes long. Every lesson consists of a lecture part, where we explain and explore new vocabulary, grammar, rules, or language concepts. After that comes an exercise with the solutions, and a short quiz to check your knowledge. From time to time, you will also have a blitz test, a short and unexpected quiz to check what you learned so far. This is also a great place to see if you need to repeat or relearn something. If you catch yourself forgetting a thing or two, go back to the lesson and repeat it quickly to remind yourself. And no cheating here. This is maybe the most important part of learning. Repetition and not skipping the important building blocks, because you will regret it later. Trust me. Also, make sure to take a look under resources, where I will put additional exercises, quizzes, flashcards, YouTube videos, or anything I think might help you learn. Besides that, don't be shy to also check out the Q&A section, where you will find questions from other learners, but also some threads started by me, to get to know each other, practice, and correct your mistakes. Don't miss out on all the benefits of online courses. Feel free to slow me down, speed me up, or pause whenever you feel you need more time. If you didn't understand something or need to repeat it, you can always rewatch the lesson. That's the beauty of online learning. And don't be shy to send me a message about anything that might be unclear or any questions you might have. I will be more than happy to help. My job is to provide you with fun, entertaining, and bite-sized German lessons. And your job is to complete the lessons and do the practicing part. If we both stick to our part of the deal, we will have you talking German in no time. I promise you that. Oh yes, and at some point during the course, you will be asked to rate it. I would really appreciate if you could do that and give the course 5 stars if you enjoyed it. If you have anything that you don't like or wish it was made different, drop me a note. I'm constantly looking for ways to improve my courses, and your feedback helps tremendously. So enjoy the course and good luck with your German learning adventures!